Hello students, this is Navdeep Kaur from Raikot Public School, Raikot. We are discussing plus one's biology and our topic is chapter 3rd, plant kingdom. We also call it planting. As we have also already discussed about the classification systems. Today we will discuss about the first phylum of the plant kingdom classification. First phylum is Thallophyta. As we have discussed, there are 5 phylums or divisions. The first one is Thallophyta. Today we will discuss it, algae or Thallophyta. Firstly, I will tell you what is algae. Algae is the simple form of plants. First form of plants. Algae are unicellular or multicellular organisms which are classified in first division of the plant kingdom. These are simple forms of plants. These contains chlorophyll. That's why these are considered under the kingdom Plantae. So we also call algae as Thallophyta. Now I will tell you why we call it Thallophyta or what is the meaning of Thallophyta. Thallophytes are those plants which are not differentiated into leaves, stems or roots. Means there is a single thread-like structure of these plants which contains of number of cells, but they don't have any leaf like higher plants, any roots like higher plants or any stem like higher plants. These have this thread like structure which is called as Thallophyta. Now we will discuss about the characteristics of the algae. What are the common characteristics of the algae? Algae are bearing chlorophyll and they are autotrophic organisms. They are having chlorophyll, so they can prepare their own food. If they can prepare their own food, then they are autotrophic. They prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. That is called photosynthesis. Second characteristic is the plants are called thalloids. Thalloids means thallophytes. Means they lack true stem, leaves and root. These are largely aquatic. They exist in both marine water. Marine water, as I have told you, it is the steady water which is in oceans or in seas, and fresh water which is running water like rivers. Some are living on moist soil, stones, rocks or wood. Some are living in the moist conditions and some are symbionts like symbiosis in lichens, as we have discussed in the kingdom fungi. Lichens. What are lichens? Next characteristic is asexual reproduction occurs during favorable conditions by the formation of zoospores or aplanospores. Only in favorable conditions asexual reproduction occurs. Vegetative reproduction is also present. That asexual reproduction by the formation of zoospores. One day I have shown you the structure of zoospore. It is like this, the structure of zoospore. Single celled structure containing 2 flagella or aplanospores. These are also single cell structures which are non-motile. Zoospores are motile and aplanospores are non-motile. Means they can't move. Aplanospores can't move from one place to other, but zoospores can move. Sexual reproduction is present in these organisms. There are three types of sexual reproduction, and all three types are observable in the in the phylum Algae. First type is isogamous. Isogamous means in this same type of gametes present. Iso means same, gamous means gametes. We can't differentiate these by looking them, by their morphology, their shape, their structure, their size. Second one is anisogamy, means different types of gametes. One will be large and other will be small. One will be motile and other will be non-motile. Or oogamous. In oogamous, female gamete is always larger than the male gamete. Oo means egg, egg means female gamete. Clear? Algae are classified based on, there are two conditions on the basis of which we classify algae into three main groups. First one is type of pigments. As we have discussed, there is chlorophyll present in the algae, but chlorophyll pigments also vary. Chlorophyll having four type of pigments. Chlorophyll exists as chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B and chlorophyll CD. On the basis of these pigments and other colored pigments. And second is nature of reserve food into three classes. Nature of reserve food means in these three classes the reserve food material, the food material which is stored in the plants is different. Now we will discuss about these major classes, main classes. First is chlorophyceae. Chloro means green, pheo means brown, and rhodo means red, brown and green algae. Firstly, we will discuss the chlorophyceae. I will show you some organisms of these three categories. This one you can see the color of these is green. These three are green colored. This is Volvox. This is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is single celled structure. It is multicellular. It is again multicellular, that is Chara. These are the branches, these are not leaves. Don't confuse yourself. These are the members of green algae, that is chlorophyceae. Members are commonly called green algae. They live in marine water as well as fresh water. In both type of habitats they live. The plant body appears green due to the presence of chlorophyll pigment A and B. In chlorophyceae, chlorophyll pigment A and B are present. These also contain carotene and xanthophyll. These are also colored pigments. It is orange, red colored and it is yellow colored. These pigments are located in chloroplast. Chloroplast are cell organelles present in plant cells which contains chlorophyll. These are present in all plant cells which have chlorophyll. These cell organelles we will discuss in our 8th chapter. Cells have a rigid cell wall made of pectin and cellulose. Around the cells there is a hard cell wall which is mainly made up of cellulose and pectin. These two are carbohydrates. Vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Fragmentation means the plant body is break down into number of parts, and these number of parts, each part is further developed into a full-fledged body, into a new plant. Asexual reproduction is by formation of zoospores. Zoospores are motile, like the structure of Chlamydomonas, like this. These contain two flagella. Structure of zoospore is like this. These are motile, or we call these moving. Sexual reproduction is by the formation of gametes and their fusion. Sexual reproduction in this, as we have discussed in the common characters of the algae, it may be isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Three types are present in chlorophyce. Reserve food material is starch. They store their food in the form of starch. Starch is also a carbohydrate. Examples are Spirogyra, Volvox, Chara, Chlamydomonas and Eulothrix. I have shown you the structures of Volvox, Chlamydomonas and Chara. These are. They live in colonies, volvox, like this. Chara is free living Chlamydomonas is free living single celled structure, and the Chara is thread like structure having number of branches. Our second class is Phaeophyce. Phaeophyce means brown algae, commonly called brown algae. Mostly they are marine, lives in warm seas. These lives in warm seas and oceans. Mostly these are marine. They are both freshwater as well as marine. They contain chlorophyll pigment A and C. In chlorophyce, A and B are present, and in this A and C are present. Other pigments, carotene. Xanthophylls type is fluoxanthin. Fluoxanthin is present. Due to fluoxanthin, the color of the Phaeophyce organisms vary from sea green to the brown color, dull bluish color to the brown color, due to the presence of Phaeophyce. It is from olive green to the brown shades, various brown shades, due to this pigment. Clear? Next characteristic is food is stored as laminarin and mannitol. These are complex carbohydrates. In chlorophyce, the food stored or reserve food is starch, and in this laminarin and mannitol. Cells have a wall of cellulose and a gel-like substance present around the cell wall is called algin. In the chlorophyce, the cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin, and here cell wall is made up of only cellulose, and the one more substance which is covering the cell wall, that is called algin, gel like structure. Vegetative reproduction is the same as chlorophyce by the fragmentation. Asexual reproduction is also similar, that is by the formation of zoospores. In sexual reproduction, the fusion of gametes may occur in the water or inside the plants. Special part, that is called oogonium, where the female gamete is produced, that is called oogonium. And the sexual reproduction, as we have discussed in the common characters of the algae, that it may be isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. Three types are involved in this algae also, like same like chlorophyce. Examples are Ectocarpus, Laminaria, Fucus, Sargassum and Dicyota. These are the 5 examples of brown algae. I'll show you the pictures of some brown algae organisms. This is Laminaria, this is Fucus, and this is Dicyota. See, there is no leaves, stem or the roots are present. These are simple structures. That's why we call these thallophytes in all these. Now we will discuss our next class, last class, that is Rhodophyceae. Rhodo means red. The members are commonly called red algae. Mostly they are marine, like Phaeophyceae, they are marine, but Chlorophyceae exist in marine as well as freshwater. These occur in both shallow water and at great depths, means in the near the substratum and the surface of the water bodies. They contain chlorophyll pigments A and D. In Chlorophyceae, A and B are present, and in Phaeophyceae, A and C are present, and in Rhodophyceae, A and D are present. Chlorophyll A is present in all the 3 classes, but second pigment varies. In first it is B, in second it is C, and in third it is D. And the red color is due to the R phycoerythrin. This is the next pigment present along with the chlorophyll. Reserve food material is in the form of Floridian starch. It is also a complex molecule. Floridian starch. Clear? Next is vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Same like other two. Asexual reproduction is by non-motile spores. We call these non-motile spores planospores, as we have discussed in the common characters of the algae. There are 2 types of asexual reproductive spores. One is zoospores. These zoospores are present in Chlorophyceae and in Phaeophyceae. The second one, aplanospores, these are present in third class Rhodophyceae, and these are non-motile. Here sexual reproduction is only oogamous. In above 2 classes, isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous, 3 are present, but in this only oogamous is present, and the gametes produced are also non-motile. Example is Porphyra and Polysiphonia, Gelidium and Gracilaria. These are the examples of red algae. These are the structures of these red algae organisms. There are only two organisms. One is porphyra and second is Polysiphonia. This is all about the phylum or division algae. In next topic we will discuss about the division Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. So this was our today's topic, and at last I am saying be safe at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.